In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funny sound effects on Capcut. But before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your browser on your device. It can be any browser such as Google Chrome, Safari, or any available browser for your device. On your browser, go ahead and search for Pixabay Sound Effects. Now on the results section, you'll find this Pixabay free sound effects for download. And here, use their search bar and search for funny sound effects. And this will allow you to view all of their available funny sound effects on the platform. You can listen to each of these sound effects before you hit the download button. Make sure to use this feature to ensure that the sound effect that you're going to download is appropriate for your video. Once you've selected a sound effect that you want to download, go ahead and hit on the download button beside that sound effect, and the download will start on your device. Now, once it's downloaded on your device, head back to Capcut. And here, go ahead and open the project where you want to incorporate that funny sound effect. So go ahead and click on that specific video and hit on the add button. Now, in here, go ahead and click on the add sound button. Select sounds, and this will redirect you to the sound section of Capcut. Click on this file and click on device. Now in here, go ahead and look for that sound effect that you've just downloaded on your device. Click on the add and you'll be able to add this on your project. Go ahead and edit this sound effects length depending on your need, and you're good to go. And that's how you can simply add a funny sound effect on Capcut. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.